Okay, we're gonna change the key membrane buttons for the start stop and for the numeric numbers on the elevation and speed. And we're gonna start by removing either side of this little cover here by removing the 2 Allen wrench screws first.
Okay, you're gonna wanna take out all 14 screws from the bottom of the panel. And once that's done, the panel will slide out. Okay, you're going to want a sharp knife here to get underneath the membrane. And then once you're underneath the membrane, you're going to grab a flathead screwdriver, something to assist you in taking up the rest of the glue on the membrane itself. And then now it's off, and we go on to our next one. And I've already used the knife, but we'll get it again because we do not want to scratch the console. There's that. Get a little help from my friend here. And then it will start coming up very easily. All right, perfect. To remove the ribbons from the breakout board right here. Simply grab that. Now they're removed. Removing the ribbons from the breakout board, you're going to come back up to the top. You're going to take your screwdriver. You're going to pull this ribbon out. You're going to hold it up, and then you're going to start to slowly get the adhesive off. And then you're going to be able to peel the pad off. Simple. And simply repeat this step up here at the top. Okay, now you're going to want to remove the 3M protective adhesive cover off the back of the membrane. All right, so once that's off, I'm going to feed this right through there. And then you're going to want to line this up and make sure that you're on. All right, good to go. Okay, and then we start with the next one, and we go remove the adhesive backing. This is a fresh one, so it takes a moment. I chew my nails. All right, here we go. Now we're ready. We flip it over. There, and then we're going to want to make sure we are centered. Ready to go here. All right, good to go. The ribbon, and go ahead and put it back in its spot. The other one. All right, then you're going to take your overlay 3M sticker off and take the overlay and put it on. There you go. All right, then you're going to remove this 3M backing. All right, you're going to want to line this up
And then once you have it lined up, then we're going to have to lay down. And then at the top, and we're following this. Good adhesive. And come across here and make sure you're lined up. Look out all the bubbles. There we go. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and remove the protective covering off of the top.